In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your video to Google Sites. This simple process is a great way to share your content with a broader audience, whether for personal projects, educational purposes, or business use. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to start by heading over to Google Sites. If you're already familiar with Google Sites and comfortable navigating its interface, that's great. If not, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. Once you're in Google Sites, you need to access the editing interface of the page where you want to add your video. Now we're ready to add in our video. Once you're there, look for the YouTube option on the right sidebar. This tool is specifically designed to make it easy to integrate YouTube videos into your Google site. This could be one of your own videos or any video on YouTube that complements your site content. Click on YouTube and a pop-up window will appear that allows you to search for your desired video or paste the URL directly from YouTube. Now that you have the YouTube option open, you're ready to paste the URL of the video you want to upload. Make sure you've copied the correct URL from YouTube. To do this, open YouTube in another tab, find the video you want to use and click on the share button below it. Copy the URL provided, navigate back to Google Sites, and paste it into the URL field within the pop-up window. This step ensures that you're linking correctly to the right video, so take a moment to double check that everything looks good. After pasting the URL, you will see a preview of the video appear in the pop-up window. This is a useful feature because it allows you to confirm that you've linked the correct video. Once you've verified that, all you need to do is click on the video to select it. Highlighting this video tells Google Sites which content you want to insert onto your web page. Finally, with the video selected, look for the Insert button, usually located towards the bottom of the pop-up window. Click on Insert and just like that, your YouTube video will be added to your Google site. You should see it now embedded directly on your web page, aligning with any other content you've already included and ready to be viewed by anyone visiting your site. And there you go, that's everything you need to successfully upload a video to Google Sites. This process enables you to enrich your web page with dynamic content in a few simple clicks. Feel free to customize the size and placement of the video to best fit your site's design. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you're ready to share your videos with the world. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and insights.